Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up SMS or messaging in 3CX. Please note that Voxtelesys requires that all customers sending SMS messages to be registered with the TCR, which can be done on our website at portal.voxtelesys.net/SMS-campaigns-registry. You'll also want to ensure that your 3CX is updated to use version 18, update 5, or higher before proceeding with this guide. Log into the 3CX Management Console and click on the SIP Trunks tab. Check the Voxtelesys SIP trunk and click on the Edit button. From here, enable SMS. Keep this page open while we create the messaging application in the Voxtelesys portal. Log into the Voxtelesys portal. Click on the APIs tab, then click on Messaging Applications. Click on Create Application. Type in 3CX SMS as the profile name. Select your service trunk from the Trunk Group dropdown. Select Post as the HTTP method. Select Inbound Messages in the Events field. Navigate back to the 3CX Management Console and copy the webhook URL. From the Voxtelesys portal, paste the copied webhook from the 3CX SIP trunk. Set the authentication to None. Click on the Save button. To create an API key in the Voxtelesys portal, click on Keys under the APIs dropdown. Click on Create Key. Make sure you check Enabled. Type in 3CX SMS as the name. Select your service trunk from the Trunk Group dropdown. It's the same as the application trunk. Click on Save, then click on OK when you're finished. Copy the new key. Navigate back to your 3CX and paste in the API key under the SIP trunk SMS settings and click on OK. On the Voxtelesys portal, you will need to SMS enable your numbers and apply the messaging application. Click on the Phone Numbers tab, then click on Numbers from the dropdown. Click on the Edit icon under Actions. Check the SMS Enabled box and select Voxtelesys Services as the service trunk. Select 3CX SMS as the messaging application. Click on OK. Congratulations! Your 3CX is now set up to use SMS. Make sure you send some test messages to make sure it's working correctly. Please note that your messages will follow your incoming rules on 3CX. If you have your number pointed to a call queue, it will message the available agents. If you're sending it to a direct user, it will message them directly. Check back for more videos on 3CX as well as other helpful guides.